everyone. Thanks for stopping in today to see what I am up to. You know from the title that I have a Glamlite haul. So I have 2 boxes here, and we're going to save this one for last, and we're going to do this box first. And in this box I have, very well packaged here. I'm going to take them out of the box. And I love saving all this bubble wrap because it can be, ooh, I'm sorry, just kick that camera. I don't know if it just knocked everything. I have 2 items here, and I'll show you one. These are for giveaways. So what I have here, a nice little card. I have the donut palette. And I have 2 of them. I'll show you that. I'm not opening these because these are for giveaways. And I'll show you the little card here. And then here's the back. So what I'm going to do is, not in this video, this is just like my Glamlite, and I have 2, my Glamlite haul video is this. What I'm going to do is, in upcoming videos throughout the month, I'm going to say, I might stop the video 2 minutes in, at the end, in the middle somewhere, and I have a giveaway, and it's going to be a donut palette. And in another video, I might do the same thing. I'm going to do the same thing with this next box. Now, this next box is the foodie box. So this is, I think, a complete set of items. Let's just get rid of all this bubble wrap here. Everything seems like it's, oh no, there are loose items. Let's take these all out. Just missed the recycling, so now I have a whole bunch of stuff for recycling for next week. So in this box came 2, and I think these are lip glosses, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if they're lip gloss or lipstick, but I have 2 of those. And this is, oh God, I cannot even see that. So let's open these up and see what these are. Okay, so there is this one right here. Let me hold it up like this. Maybe that'll help. So that's this one. I'm not opening these because I will be sharing these in giveaways. I think that was really cute. And let's see what this one looks like. And these look like they're like a lip gloss lipstick type of deal. So here's this one here. Cute. Packaging is Glamlite, great packaging. These 2 right here. I'm just going to put these off to the side like that. So then the rest of it came bubble wrapped here in a little like envelope style bubble wrap. Just going to take everything out, and it'll go back in there so that it won't get damaged. So then the next thing I have here is margarita lashes. Nice. We have the Concha highlighter. Okay, let's open that up and see what that looks like. It's all nicely wrapped up. Let's see, beautiful packaging. Look at that. That is stunning. Let me see how easy it is to open these. Sometimes they're difficult, sometimes they're not. That one is not difficult. Ooh, ooh. Look at that color. That is more like, I think it would be a great eyeshadow. I could not use purple as a highlighter. It does come with a mirror. This is all going to be a giveaway for one person. I'm going to put it all, I doubt that I'll use the same box just because that might be too big of a box. And this I am not opening because it is not open. And these are the taco lashes. If you really want to get into and see what these things look like, you can go to Glamlite's website. And then it looks like we have a palette here. And this is sealed too. And this is the Taco Street palette, which I won't be opening, but I'll give you a little sneak peek of the colors. This way I can just, if I could open it, but since it's sealed, I'm not going to. And it says, want to save some dinero, save 15% off when you use code GLAM15. Hopefully that might work for somebody if you're interested in buying any of this stuff. So in this giveaway is going to be all inclusive. So you'll get the Street Taco palette. the Taco Lashes, the Concha Highlighter, the Margarita Lashes, and then the 2 lip products will be all one giveaway. Like I said, not in this video. It will be in a future video of mine. Somewhere in a video, somewhere. It won't be in the title, anything like that, and it'll be buried in the description so that if somebody clicks on it or you don't see it at the header. So these are for all of you that truly are watching and not just coming in for giveaways. So many people are doing that, and I'm trying to avoid all that. I want the people that are following, watching, spending all your time helping me, for me then to give back to all of you. So this will be one giveaway winner, and they probably will be in September, but they could be in the beginning part of October. So as long as you're watching the videos, you'll see them and you'll get a chance to enter. And that's my Glamlite haul for September. And I just received the foodie box. I had the donut pals, but I was waiting for this one so I could do one video. So keep your eyes out in my videos and wait for the giveaways to happen. And I appreciate all of you, and I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.